Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage email campaigns with Constant Contact, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Constant Contact account. Once logged in, navigate to the Campaigns tab on the dashboard. Click on the Create button to begin a new email campaign. Select email from the drop-down menu that appears. Choose from the available templates or start from scratch by selecting Start from Scratch. Customize your chosen template by clicking on the Add your email subject line in the designated field at the top. In the body of the email, include your content such as text, images, and call to action buttons. Make sure to utilize the drag and drop editor for easy rearranging of elements. Preview your email by clicking the preview button to see how it looks on different devices. Once satisfied with your design, click on Continue, moving on to the next step. Select your recipient list by clicking on the Choose Recipients section. You can either select an existing list or create a new list for this campaign. After choosing your recipients, click Continue to move forward. Review your campaign settings, including the confirmation email and social media sharing options. If everything looks good, click on Send Now to schedule your email for immediate delivery. Alternatively, you can choose Schedule to set a specific date and time for your email to be sent. Once your email is sent, monitor its performance by navigating back to the Campaigns tab. Click on your email campaign to view detailed analytics such as open rates, click rates, and overall engagement. Use this data to optimize future email campaigns for better results. Repeat the process as necessary, refining your strategies based on audience feedback and analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.